Imagine this, you find a perfect product, you're ready to make a purchase, but the checkout process is confusing, slow, and filled with roadblocks. Does this sound familiar? A poorly designed checkout process can be a deal breaker for customers, resulting in loss of sales and negative customer experience. What if I tell you that you can create a seamless checkout process that not only streamlines the buying process but also enhances the customer experience? Let's dive in. In today's digital age, customers expect a smooth and hassle-free buying experience, and online merchants want more sales on their products. In this video, I will be discussing the key elements of a successful checkout process and how you can use these elements to boost sales and customer satisfaction. First, let's talk about understanding the customer journey. It's important to identify common pain points in the checkout process. This can be anything like slow loading times, too many steps in the checkout process, or a checkout process that requires the customer to create an account, lack of clear payment option, or technical errors. Analyze customer behavior and preferences so we can know where the customers are dropping out in the checkout process. This can be something like understanding what motivates customers to complete a purchase, identifying any pain points or roadblocks in the checkout process, or improving the customer experience and increasing customer satisfaction. Map out the ideal customer journey from start to finish. This includes gathering customer feedback and data based on existing data. Map out the steps in the customer journey from browsing products to making a purchase, identifying and fixing any pain points or roadblocks in the customer journey, making improvements to customer journey to enhance the customer experience. This information will help you design a checkout process that meets the needs of your customer and address any concerns. Designing a user-friendly checkout interface. You need to keep the design simple and uncluttered because a cluttered and confusing checkout interface can result in cart abandonment and negative customer experience. It's important to keep the design simple, easy to understand, and free from distraction. This means only including necessary information and buttons and making sure everything is clearly labeled. Providing clear and concise information so that the checkout process will be straightforward and easy to follow. This includes clearly labeling fields, providing concise product description, ensuring the customer knows exactly what they are paying for. Make use of visual aids to guide the customer through the process. This can be a progress bar, images, and animation can help guide the customer through the checkout process, but don't complicate it. These visual aids provide a clear understanding of where the customer is in the process.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but before you continue watching, I just want to ask for your support. If you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a like and sharing it with your friends. Your support is what keeps me creating and I truly appreciate it. Thank you.
Testing and improving the design is also crucial to ensure its effectiveness. It's important to continuously test on the checkout interface to ensure its effectiveness. This means using tools like A/B testing to identify areas for improvement. By making small tweaks and improvements, you can gradually create the ideal checkout interface that provides a seamless customer experience. Extra tips for maximum conversion. Try to reduce the number of steps required to complete a purchase. Use automation tools to make the checkout process more efficient. Make it possible for customers to save information for future purchases. Implement secure payment option and address any security concern. Provide clear shipping and delivery information. Use a thank you page or email with relevant information to build customers' trust and loyalty. In conclusion, creating a seamless checkout process is crucial to the success of your online store. By understanding the customer journey, designing a user-friendly checkout interface, streamlining the process, and enhancing the customer experience, you can boost sales and customer satisfaction. Remember, the checkout process is often the last interaction a customer has with your store, so make it count.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it and learn something new. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button as well as share this video with your friends. Your support helps me create even more content for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video.